I guess interested in photo editing, but you're just a beginner and initially you just don't want to spend in any kind of professional photo editing softwares at a very early stage. So there's a simple solution for this. There's in Photoshop like software available online for free, in which you can just download and practice do photo editing. And once if you're confident enough with your photo editing techniques and concepts, you can just go buy any kind of professional photo editing softwares and get work with it. So let's see what it is and let's get started. First go to Google and type paint.net. Just click on first link you get on Google. This is the software I was talking about. Now click on the download button on the right side. Here there is paid version also available. If you are interested in paint.net, you can just buy it afterwards. Now we'll just download the free open source version. That's what we want. After downloading, installation procedure is pretty simple. You can just do it yourself. So I already installed it, so I'll just show you how it works. This is how the user interface of paint.net looks like. At first impression, it pretty much resembles the classic Microsoft Paint, but trust me, it can do a lot more than what a Microsoft Paint can do. It has ton of professional features as well, in which you can just play around with. After editing, you can save the file in bunch of popular extensions like PNG and JPG, etc. You will also be getting the image quality options while saving. Once if you completely explore this free software and gain some experience in photo editing, you can just go buy any professional photo editing software and you can even start a career with it. More videos about this software will be coming up in ElbatTech, so stay tuned and subscribe to ElbatTech. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to ElbatTech and enable the notification bell button. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.